I like to use rare earth magnets for shop jigs and even for shop-made catches for doors and drawers. The thing is though, need to create a recess using a Forstner bit that matches the depth of the rare earth magnet. They can be kind of goofball numbers, so it's hard to get a good reading with a ruler. But I found a simpler solution. What I'll do is install the Forstner bit in my drill press and then lower it down and press it in until the flat lifters are flush with the surface of my workpiece. Then I can take the rare earth magnet, put it on the bottom of the drill press depth stop, then lower the adjustable portion of the stop until it touches. Now I'll just lift up, peel the magnet away, and now when I make the recess, it's going to be the exact size that I need.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. You can also click the bell to get notifications every time we post a video. Feel free to comment below and we'll get to as many as we can. Also, we're including links to the sources, plans, everything you need to know in the description below. Thanks.